All right, October 24th, around 10:30, 10:45 in the morning. It's roughly around 50, 55 degrees. Doing a test repair on the rear for repairability. You can see the shingle that we're repairing right there. Using the snake tool properly to pop out the old shingle sleeve. Old shingles have staples in them instead of nails. We are barely pulling the shingle back just so we can get to the staples. Right around a 45-degree angle. Ain't she beautiful? Using the snake tool again to install. You can see the granules running down the slope as well, and how the snake tool doesn't fully get the nail flushed to the roof. So we will have to bend the shingle a little bit so we can finish putting the nail down. See you ready. You can see right here. You can also see right here how it's bending, nail not all the way in, and the mat transfer as well. Shingles will not lay down properly with the mat transfer.